Friends, Labor has a better way. At the heart of Labor's plan is a commitment to keep our assets in public hands. The assets the LNP proposes to sell are well-run, profitable businesses. And in public hands, those profits can be used for the benefit of Queenslanders now and into the future. Because if they are sold forever. Queenslanders are not fooled by Newman's word games. They know a 99-year lease is an asset sale, pure and simple, especially when the contract reads that our great-grandchildren will have to then buy them back in 100 years. Labor will retain our assets and the profits they make, and we will devote those profits to two very targeted objectives. First, reducing our debt, which has risen under the LNP. And second, helping to restore frontline services in health, in education, that was savagely cut by the LNP.
Today I am here to talk about Labor's plan. It's called Our State, Our Assets, A Better Way for Queensland. I'm here to talk to you about our fiscal strategy and debt action plan, which has three components. A fiscal covenant to guide policy development in office to align with a strict set of fiscal principles. A set of fiscal principles for the measured and responsible management of our state's finances, and a debt action plan for the pay down of debt resting on the shoulders of taxpayers, general government debt that is not self-supporting. The people I talk to want a real plan for our state's finances and the economy, not a short-sighted fire sale of assets. I will say that our plan does not involve mass sackings of government workers to pay for our commitments, nor does it involve new taxes, increased taxes over the next 3 years. Labor will not be increasing mining royalties over the next term of government. We will grow the economy to support jobs, support competitive and job-sustaining industries, create more productive and sustainable regions and communities, develop education and skills for the high-tech jobs of the future, improve livability, provide sustainable environmental management for the interests of future generations, maintain ownership of essential social assets and productive income-earning assets, as we've referred to. We will develop policy based on evidence and based on science, and we will focus on value for money, efficient services and efficient outcomes. Labor will match the LNP's return to surplus next financial year and will maintain operating surpluses over the forward estimates. Labor will establish a debt reduction trust, which will quarantine 2/3 of the returns from income-producing assets proposed for sale. This will pay down $5.4 billion in general government debt over 6 years and $12 billion of debt over 10 years. A Labor government will merge the three electricity distribution network businesses, Ergon, Energex and Powerlink, into a single, more effective and efficient network business. We will also combine the two electricity generation businesses, CS Energy and Stanwell, into a new generation business. This will consolidate the number of government-owned energy businesses from 5 currently down to 2. Labor will protect our Great Barrier Reef and the jobs that depend on it. Labor will boost frontline services cut by the LNP. Labor will create secure jobs and train young Queenslanders for the jobs of the future. Labor will keep our state assets and use the profits they make to pay down debt. This is our state. These are our assets. And there is a better way for Queensland. Thank you.